Hello lovely people, I saw this on TikTok and decided to put my own spin on it. These pasta chips are great little snacks, perfect to munch on in front of the telly. So to start, you're going to need to boil some water and add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Once the water comes to a boil, add 200 grams of dry uncooked pasta. I chose penne pasta, but you can choose any shape you like. Sometimes I even use up all the little amounts of pasta in those little baggies that you have lying around. For stuff like this, it's perfect. Do be careful not to overcook your pasta, as it still has to cook some more. Once you've cooked the pasta, drain it and set it aside. Now you're going to place the pasta in a bowl, and to that we're going to add our own spice mix. So I chose half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of oil. You just want to mix it really well. You can always change up the spices to suit your preference. Lovely people, if you are new to my channel, then welcome. Subscribe to the channel and turn the bell icon on to stay up to date on all my new videos. And for those who have already subscribed, then you guys have made the right choice. Keep watching. This recipe can be made in the air fryer or in the oven. Bear in mind that making this recipe in the oven will not give you that crunchy texture. Place half the pasta in the air fryer. Oops, that one almost got away, but it didn't. Spread the pasta out into a single layer, making sure that no pasta piece is on top of another. Bake at 180 degrees for around 5 to 8 minutes. If after 8 minutes the pasta still isn't crunchy, then you may need to bake it for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. This recipe serves 2 as a snack, but you may need more if you are super hungry. You won't want to share these, so you have been warned. Halfway through, just give them a quick shake and move them around a bit. Once they are crispy, take them out and fry the rest. I told my kids I would be surprising them with a new snack. They really were not expecting these pasta chips, but they loved them all the same. So I hope you try making these for your kids too. Continue with the rest of the pasta, spreading them out like before. Serve these pasta chips with marinara sauce. I also have some other sauce options on my blog post, and you can check that out below. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you like this recipe. Please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Much love and have a good one. Bye!